Okay, so for today we're doing another nail charm video. I'm going to finish off painting the last two of these nail charms that I had picked out. It's this bunny creature and teddy bear, and I already got a really good comment just yesterday or so. I can't remember, time doesn't exist. And they suggested that I do the creature darkness from Legend for this bunny creature, and then the bear from Imaginary. I don't know why I had to think about that. And I see your vision and I like it, so I'm gonna do it. But before we do the details, I'm going to start off with a plain white base. And I am using just some nail clippers that I found as a stand because I was gonna use that purple thing again, but honestly, it's just too big and ugly. So I'm using nail clippers, like that's any better. And the first one on the chopping block is Darkness from Legend. I've never seen that movie, but why is he kinda... why is he kinda fine? So for this charm, I'm going to start off with a bright red base because it looks like it's that stereotypical bright red devil skin. And then what I'm going to do is take out some of my blue model gel. For what reason did I choose blue? Because I'm out of red. And I'm going to use all this up before I buy more. I usually paint it anyways, so I just chose the lightest color that I had left. And I'm going to be making tiny little horns because his Darkness's devil horns is... Okay, hold on. I haven't watched the movie. I have no idea who this is or what it's supposed to be, but he looks like a devil, so I'm going to call a spade, all right? So I'm going to do his front-facing horns. I really like them. I think he's so cool to look at. And after that, I'm going to paint it black. I would have liked to do it in matte for more of a contrast, but my matte top coat has been lost to the void. We will not be finding it anytime soon. After that, just gonna do his black jacket and pants and give him abs because, I mean, come on, look at that. That thing has abs for days, and I want to put that on my nail. I think that's so cute. I messed up on the face though, and I hated it, so I went back in and just did a circle eyeball instead of trying to do an expression. I've already done circles for all the other charms, so I'm just gonna keep up that theme. But that's that charm done, honestly. So we're gonna move on to the next charm, which is the teddy bear from Imaginary. I also have never seen this movie, but I did watch a movie ending explained here on YouTube. And I think it's a fantastic metaphor for childhood trauma and mental illness. It's kind of a plain charm though. I think it's very funny that this is the teddy bear charm, but I'm repainting to just be a teddy bear. I started off with a flat brown base. I had to do about like 2 to 3 coats of the brown because it was not a pigmented gel whatsoever. But I mean, I feel like it's kind of normal and expected whenever you're doing curved surfaces like this. So I just did flat brown and then went in with a lighter tan gel polish for the mouth. Made his little mouth that typical bear smile, gave him some black eyes with that iconic white shine beneath, and then painted back in his red jumper. It looks like in the photo, it's more of a waistcoat or a typical red vest, but I don't know. I think it looks really cute with it being like a romper situation. So I just repainted the blue one back to red. It was never red to begin with. I painted the blue one red and then gave him his little white pink bolo tie, whatever that thing is. I should really learn the names of these things before I start doing commentary on it. Not for this video though. We're just guessing, and whatever feels right, it's gonna stick. All right, so far we have Jigsaw, his balloon, Darkness, and Imaginary. So far what's going to happen is I'm not going to do any nails with it yet. I've ordered a bunch of nail supplies that should be coming in soon, and I want to do a junk nail dedicated set to all these movie creatures. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe if you're into that sort of thing. Have a good day, night, wherever you are, whenever you are, and I will see you in the next one.